Hey y'all, I'm Izzy Frank with Seeds to Success, the Louisiana Farm to School program. Welcome back to our video series, Sustainable School and Home Gardening. In this video, we'll be discussing general garden maintenance. By now, we're at the point where we've planted our garden and things are starting to grow. Here are the things we need to do for garden success all season long. Water is the most important factor in plant survival. The general rule of thumb is that plants need about 1 inch of water per week, either from rainfall or irrigation. Monitor this by placing a rain gauge and checking it after rainfall or irrigation. Newly planted crops are establishing their root systems and need consistent soil moisture to remain healthy. If your plants are wilting, looking dull, or changing color from a vibrant green, check your watering plan. The next factor in garden maintenance is weeding. Keep weeds out of your garden beds and pots. Remove weeds when they're small because that's when it's the easiest. It's also good to keep weeds down in the areas surrounding your beds. If those weeds are allowed to go to seed, then the seeds will spread right into your garden. Placing mulch creates a barrier to manage these weeds. Checking your garden for signs of stress should be a daily habit. Make time to monitor issues that might arise in your garden, such as wilted foliage, discoloration, or visible pest damage. Stressed out plants typically cannot tolerate pests, weed, or disease pressure. If you are seeing signs of stress, make sure to properly identify what's causing your issue and act accordingly. Often, disease establishment starts with a stressed plant and the proper environmental conditions for it. In the South, our typical causes for disease and pests can be wet, humid environments, low air circulation, poor soil drainage, or inadequate nutrients and sunlight. We can avoid this by not overwatering, using a well-drained, high-quality soil, and planting our garden at the proper spacings. Early detection of pests is also important. Scout for pests by checking for holes in the leaves and looking at the undersides. There could be webs or pests hanging out down in the nooks and crannies of our leaves. There are numerous ways to manage pests other than using pesticides, but if all else fails, there are certified organic pesticides that can be sprayed on school grounds. Check out the Louisiana pesticide laws we linked in the Gardening Resources tab of our website. We hope this helps you maintain your beautiful gardens. Thanks for watching and check out our other videos.